My name is Monica Oli, and I want to tell you quickly how you can order your Carolina Microbiology home kit for in Microbiology Labs. You need to have the kit in order to participate, in order to get full credit. You also need to order the kit by the last day, at latest by the last day of drop ad. If it's your fault that your kit arrives late and you cannot participate in the activities, you will have points taken off. It's very easy to order your kits. There are two different ways. First, you can go through the Carolina's web portal directly, and if you click on the link, you go to this website. You say add the kit to the cart, and then go to shopping cart, and then you can just check out. There will not be a promotion code. You can add in your zip code to estimate shipping, and you obviously only need one. And then you go to checkout. You provide your shipping info. You can continue as guest. You provide your shipping information, and then you provide your financial information, and then you check out. Make sure you have the receipt, and then the kit will ship in about 1 week. You should get the kit. So these are just the written instructions. If you encounter any problems, you can either call them or you can email customerservice@carolina.com. Also, if there's any problems with your kit, you can use that same information. The second option is you can order through the UF Bookstore, and that is usually used when you have financial aid or when you have scholarships that pay directly through the university. If you go to the University of Florida Bookstore website, so if one browser doesn't work, you can just use another browser. So you select the University of Florida, you select the spring semester, the department is Microbiology, MCB. Your course depends what you're taking. It's the same kit whether you take 2000L, 3020L, or 3023L. You select your section and then find materials for one course, and then you purchase it. You add the item to the bag. Check out. Provide your information. Okay, you may have already an account, and you provide your information here. So what happens when you order the kit through the bookstore? You will not actually order the kit. You only get a voucher. You can pick up the voucher, which is an envelope with a number with a code in it. So after you receive the voucher, you have to open the envelope and go to another site where you then order your Carolina kit. So after you receive the voucher from the bookstore, you will have the information for this website where you redeem your voucher. So you need to get the number. You will provide Carolina your shipping address, and make sure it's a precise address with apartment numbers, because otherwise they can't deliver. You add your redemption code, which you already paid for, and then you submit the information. Again, after you redeem your voucher, you will get the kit at latest within about a week. And again, here are the instructions for ordering your kit through the bookstore. It is a little bit cheaper to go directly through Carolina, but if you have scholarships or financial aid, that's the only way that it can be applied. Alright, when you get your kit, you open the box. You should refrigerate the agar plates. They're in a cardboard box, inside a cardboard box. And you should also refrigerate the antibiotic discs. To see what's in the kit, you can look at another video. And your TA will provide exact information, what items you need for which experiments. Just a quick word on safety, personal protective equipment, and use of the flame. So the kit is approved by Environmental Health and Safety at UF. It is BSL-1, so all the organisms you will work with are completely harmless, and there should be no problem. Even if there's underlying condition, if you have elderly people in the house, there should be no problem at all. PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment, and that includes lab coat, gloves, and goggles that are provided in the kit. You do need to wear your lab coat or the apron at all times when you handle bacteria. The gloves and the goggles are optional, and gloves will be instructed by your TA. The use of aseptic technique is important to protect yourself, the environment, and your culture. There is a small flame. It looks like a small paraffin candle, and you should use the flame to use aseptic technique. However, some students who live in dorms are not allowed to have a flame, and that's okay. You have to just use extra precautions if you live in a dorm and you cannot use the flame. Otherwise, you have to use the flame. There are a couple of other items you need to provide that are not in the kit already. That includes 3 AA batteries for the microscope, bleach, which needs to be diluted, or rubbing alcohol to clean your surfaces, to use aseptic technique and have a clean working environment, a container to disinfect the contaminated materials, cell phone with camera, flour and water to make sourdough, a container to collect water like an old jam jar or something. You also will make a Winogradsky column. We need an empty plastic bottle like a soda bottle, a protein source, and paper. Carbon herbs for the hay infusion. You need the matches for the light, and it's some kind of colored liquid. Red Gatorade works really great. Mouthwash, any kind of mouthwash, or hydrogen peroxide, and then there may be a few other things depending on your TA. So at the end of class, there will be a few things that are left over. Obviously, you have paid for the entire kit, so the entire kit is yours. But before you throw it away, and especially the microscope as well, it would be great if you could donate the items to microbiology and cell science or to your own local schools. We have a program where we go into schools and do outreach projects. We can also donate the microscopes to schools, which they're very, very thankful for. So if you're interested and if you want to purchase more of your own items to do more microbiology experiments, there's a wide variety of things available at the Carolina website as well. Alright, I hope you enjoy the microbiology labs and the activities. There will be plenty of information for you on the Canvas sites through your TA, and we are always available if you have any questions. The lab syllabus is already posted, and you can reach me anytime at molly@ufl.edu. I hope you enjoy the microbiology labs. Have a great day.